Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to create this scale test animation inside Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. So right now I am in edit page. Let's create a new fusion composition. Go to the media pool, right click, new fusion composition. I will name it scale test animation. You can use any name you want. Also I'm going to use the 24 frame rate. Now you can use any frame rate you want, but the animation should be changed accordingly. Then put our fusion composition inside timeline, then right click, open it in fusion page. First we will create a background using background node. Connect the background node to the media out one. Now let's create a text using text node. Connect the output of text node to the output of background node and it will automatically create a merge node. Now let's type something inside our text node using inspector panel. Now I'm going to use the font called Montserrat. You can use any font you want, okay? Also, let's add some adjustments in tracking. Now our test is ready for animation. In inspector panel, right click on the text box and choose follower and it will add a follower modifier. Go to the modifiers page, open the text page and there is an option called size. Before adding a keyframe to the size, move the playhead to some frame like 15th frame or something depending on the frame rate of your composition. Add a keyframe using the diamond shape, then move the playhead to the beginning of the composition, then change the value of size to 0 and it will automatically add another keyframe. Now let's play the animation. Animation does look good, but we can make it better using spline. Let's see how we can do that. Click on the spline, select the size and it will show the graph of our keyframes. Select the keyframes and use the smooth button at the bottom of spline panel for smoothing keyframe, and also you can adjust the animation further using handles of keyframes. Well, that animation looks fine to me, but this is not what we want. What we want is the characters of the word to show up one by one. Let's see how we can do that. Go to the inspector panel. Under the follower, open the timing page. Change the value of delay to something like 1, 2 or 3. As the number increases, the time to take each letter to appear will be slower. Play with those values to see which animation good to you. Now I'm gonna use 1.5. I think this animation looks better. And that's it guys. And what if we want the text to disappear after a while? First, move the playhead to the frame where you want it to start disappearing. Then open the keyframes panel, select the text, click in some empty space and select those two keyframes. Then use Ctrl+C to copy the keyframes. Then select the timeline and use Ctrl+V to paste the keyframes. Use the V button on your keyboard to reverse these keyframes, and that's it guys. Also, you can use the motion blur to make the text animation look much better. Let's see how we can do that. Go to the tools page, open the settings page. Here we have an option called motion blur. Turn it on, increase the quality to make it even better. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video.